Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about are animation curves. Right now, as you can see, this is completely frozen here. There's no movement, no nothing. It's just everything's all static. So what if I wanted something to spin around? So let me come over here to create, and let's see, what can I use for we'll use the cylinder. Alright, I'm going to bring it up into the air here so you guys can see it. Bring it a little bit closer. Say I wanted to animate this cylinder to spin. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure we're selected on cylinder. And down here at the bottom in the animation window, we're going to click on create. And it's going to want us to put it somewhere, so I'm going to stay organized and I'm going to create a folder and call it animations with an underscore in it, and it's easy to be found. I'm going to name this spinning cylinder. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to actually create the animation. So we press the record button, and I'm actually going to come over here about halfway, and I'm going to move this about 90 degrees. So now as I go back towards 0, you can see that it's right there. And then it comes here, it goes 90 degrees. We're going to go up here to a minute, and then we're going to have it go the rest of the way 360. So now if I press play on it, it's just spinning around in a circle. Alright, so let's say you didn't want this easing in, the slowing down of the animation. So you see how it speeds up, goes into the animation, and then slows down as it comes out of it before it loops back. You can come down here and click on curves, and then you'll see this graph here. Now, but the dope sheet, which is the default here, just shows these diamond keyframes. The curves is where we can control the easing in and out of the animation. By default, Unity sets these to auto clamped, which creates that smooth wavy curve that you see here. What we're going to do is we're going to take these tangents here that you see, we're going to change them to linear. This will cause the curves to become a straight line and should remove the easing and make this spin more machine-like. So let's go ahead and start selecting these tangents. We're going to right click, we're going to choose both tangents and choose linear. Do the same thing with those two. And then finally with these ones right here. So now you can see that works out. Now, as with some of the other videos, I'll be including a script with this. This script is the hover animation script. What happens is you can apply it to an object in your scene. When you guys get to creating it, you drag that in there, and you can choose the height and at the speed at which it hovers. So let's go ahead and move this, and we'll change the hover height to 3, and if we press play, we should see it hovering back and forth, up and down. So just like that. Alright, so on to the next topic.